Hello guys, welcome again. In this video, you learn how to create a company or business page on LinkedIn. So you visit linkedin.com, then you log into your account. Next, you move your cursor to the For Business section at the top right corner. Then you click on the drop down. All right. Next, you're going to scroll down to the bottom. Then you find Create a Company page. Then you click on that button. Okay, so it's going to take you to this page. Then you could close your messages, bring it down. Then you could see what you could create: company, showcase page, educational institution, but we'll click on company. All right. Then you select a name. So for this business, it's called Coppola. So we're going to create a page for Coppola. Then your LinkedIn username, you could edit that. So I'm just going to add my Coppola. Okay, pretty much beautiful, right? Next is your website. So you input your website there. Next, we're going to select the industry. So for this business, the industry is internet marketplace platforms. Next is the organization size. So we're just going to go with 2 to 10 employees. Next is the organizational type. So for this, it's privately held. So we select that. Okay, so we scroll down. Next, you could upload your logo. For this video, we're going to do it later, but you could also do it now if you have your logo handy. Next is the tagline. So we're going to add a tagline. All right. Next is to verify that we have the right to create this company page for this business. So we scroll down and click on Create Page. Congratulations, we've been able to create our company page on LinkedIn successfully. So you could add other details like a description, logo, location. You could click on the edit button at the top left corner to do this. Then you could spice up your LinkedIn page as much as you want. All right, guys. So let's see what it looks like as a member. So we'll click on the view as member. So you're gonna see. All right. So this is what we have so far. So like I said, you could still edit this page and make it more interesting to your viewers and your target audience. All right, guys. So see you in the next video. Bye for now.